Alright, let's do some test footage. This is just holding it out away from me. So I hold it right here. I'm talking into it. It seems to be working okay. I can guess that I'm showing myself all in the frame. Alright, so now we'll just walk around a bit. Walking around. Walking around. Okay, let's see. Alright, I've righted it. Set it up right. The button facing up. And I think this is the best, most unobtrusive way of mounting I found so far. It actually seems pretty good. Let me walk outside. Check the front porch again. Little flowers all over the front yard. Interesting. Yeah, this is how it looks when it's mounted on my sling, on my backpack sling. Alright, test over.